guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys, I don't know how I'm using this. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a little glimpse into my life. You all know I'm a college student. Go green! So I'm going to show you what my life is like in the summer when I'm home. Let's get it! If you're new to my channel, you may not know, but I am obsessed with organization planning. So this whole year I showed you guys how I stay organized and put together at school. So now I'm going to show you what that's like when I'm home. So today to start my day, I showered and moisturized, brushed my hair, took my vitamins, all things like that just to get my day started. And then I went downstairs and I let my dogs outside and I made myself a cup of coffee and I made myself a bagel. My mom and dad actually went to New York City this past weekend, so my mom brought home like half a dozen of these delicious bagels. Ooh, they're so good. So I made myself one of those. Oh, and I also brought my dog to the groomers because little Charlie needed a haircut. And now I'm just finishing my coffee. Delicious. Now I'm going to take you guys through what I do to plan out my day. This has been so requested. You guys know that I love my planners and you guys have really wanted me to just go through it and explain it to you guys and just let you know kind of like my method. I'm very picky when it comes to my planners. I only like certain layouts and I'll spend so much time in the store looking for the perfect planner. And then I end up settling for one just because I like the cover and I think the cover is cute, but I don't actually like the layout inside. So then I use it for like a few weeks and I end up giving up on it because I don't like the layout. But I found the perfect planner, you guys. This is something that if you are like me and you like to be organized, you like to plan, or even you just like to have yourself a planner for school or whatever it may be, you need this planner. So this is my planner. This is the Lightspeed Planner and it is the Greatness Edition. I'm going to show you guys through this and why you absolutely need it. The layout and everything in it is perfect. So that is the physical planner that I like to use. I like to write. I love making lists and just having something physically in front of me. But if you're a regular on my channel, you would know that this school year I used Google Calendar a lot, which is very different from this planner because they're two totally separate things. I don't like to rely on Google Calendar daily, like throughout my day. Google Calendar is more something that I use to plan out my weeks and months in advance. So like, you know, on Sundays I'll go through and plan out my week using Google Calendar. But then with my physical planner, this is something that I use every single day, morning and night, to plan out the day ahead of me. So every night before I go to bed, I'll take my Lightspeed Planner and I'll bring my laptop up with my Google Calendar and I'll just fill out the Lightspeed Planner for the following day while looking at my Google Calendar, seeing what I have already planned for the next day, appointments, events, anything like that. And then after I do that in the planner, I will go through and just write out my to-do list and tasks that I want to get done. Maybe a yoga class. I'll block out my time for working out. I just like to plan my day out to a T. I think Google Calendar and this planner really complement each other really well. I prefer Google Calendar on my laptop though, so I love using my planner for my daily day-to-day tasks. It's with me wherever I go when obviously I don't always have my laptop, so that's why I love having a physical planner. Also, I just love writing things out. I'm a big person that likes to see things physically written out. You know, it has a spot for all your notes and it has a spot that you can write down a list or write a schedule and you can put the times with it. It also has a little spot for your top 3 tasks, which I love. It really keeps me on track, especially when days when I have to get stuff done. If I have a deadline for a video or a school assignment, there are so many different pages that range from goal setting and keeping track of your goals, monthly planning, daily planning, weekly planning. Another thing that I love about this planner is there's weekly reviews where you can kind of reflect on the week that you just passed. And something else that I really love to do is I keep kind of like my creative notes and I kind of do like a little vision board sometimes, sketches and drawings just in this planner because it really gives you so much space to just be creative and make it your own, which is why I love it. And the other good thing about this planner is it's not written out for you. Like, it's not going to tell you, oh, today's June 1st. Here's the date, here's whatever. I really wanted to share this planner with you guys because I know that you guys know my obsession with Google Calendar, but this planner is my new obsession. I think Google Calendar complements it so well. I hope I'm making enough sense for you guys and explaining it correctly. If you have any questions about it, definitely leave them down below. I can do so many more videos on this planner. planner, all my little tips and tricks on staying organized and planning out your day and your life. You guys, would I ever steer you wrong? This planner is amazing. I'm so obsessed. You guys need one for yourselves. I'm going to be posting pictures of my planner more and more on my Instagram story just because I know you guys are interested in the way that I use it. So I started ordering some things for college next year, and one of the things just came in the mail. Let's open that. I want to show you guys. So this was this ginormous basket. This is going to be perfect for the vibe that I'm going for next year with my space. I believe there's 2 sizes and this one is the largest. I'm going to link this down below for you guys if you want it. I'm so excited. I plan on putting a bunch of blankets in here and kind of just using it as a catch-all basket for the blankets, and who knows, maybe I'll end up using it for something else. Let's cut this tag off. I think for now, I'm going to put it next to my window right here. Okay, this is also from PB Teen. I'm so obsessed. It also got delivered today. So it came in like this box that was literally the length and size of it. So this thing just folds up, which is going to be so nice when I move into my apartment. But so I just hung up some clothes that I like to wear and obviously colors that looked good with my room because I'm a psycho. And then I put my Air Force Ones down there. And then this is just like a little... You can put some stuff in here. I don't really know what I should keep in here. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. It's kind of hanging, so like I don't want to put anything too heavy, like if you can see. So I'm looking real cute right now. I'm just wearing some sweatpants and like Nike socks, and then this little top that's from Urban Outfitters. These are from Forever 21. And I'm about to go vacuum, do dishes. So I haven't updated you in a little while. After I finished getting all the cleaning done, I actually went to a yoga class, but working out is more of like a mental thing for me. I love getting a good sweat, so going to yoga, going to the gym is something that's super important to me and something that I always try to fit into my daily life. I really want to start making more videos showing my workouts. I can show you guys more of like the workouts that I do when I go to the gym. I actually have a gym in my basement, so I could do the workouts down there for you guys. I don't even have to go to the gym and film because I always get nervous. It's not really a gym, it's like a workout area, you know what I mean. But so after that class, I just came back and I showered. I'm doing this new thing. I just got my hair cut, so I was talking to the hairdresser and she was telling me that I really shouldn't be washing my hair as much as I do because I have a dry scalp as it is, so washing my hair so much and stripping it of the oils is really not good for it. So I just washed my face and took a body shower, and now I'm gonna put some dry shampoo in my hair and then put some moisturizer on my skin, and yeah, feel all fresh and clean. And I just like massaged into my scalp because it is the white one. Okay, it's a lot later now. It's like 10 o'clock. I was editing this video and then I was also reading my book, but this is the book that I was reading. I'm like halfway done with it, I guess. I really love reading, and it's sad because like being in school, I just don't have time to read throughout the year. You know, I think reading's important because reading expands your mind. This book is just like a fiction book, but I love reading like self-help books. Those are my favorite. I love expanding my mind, and I think that's very important. That's something I value in my life. So I'm definitely trying to make reading more of a priority in my life. If you guys want to hear about my favorite books or want me to talk more about the books that I currently am reading in my vlogs just casually, if you have any requests for me, definitely let me know. So I know in the beginning of this video I was talking to you guys about my organization and how I kind of like plan out my days and stuff using Google Calendar and the planner, but I actually have been going back and forth with Lightspeed over email, and you know, I really love this planner, and they said that they would love to give one of you guys a planner, so I'm going to be doing a giveaway with them. I'm so excited to give one of you guys this, so look out for that in a future video. But I'm about to go over to Colin's and hang out with him, probably watch a movie. So I'm going to end off this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe for more if you liked this one. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know what other videos you want to see down in the comments. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media links. They're all in the description box so that we can be friends. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!